Right, we're going to try and attempt to fit this roof today. I have a new one there. Don't know what I'm doing, but we'll work it out as we go along. And this one is pretty bad, as you see. It's all blown. And big rips in the roof over there. Yeah, we'll give it a go and see what we can do. Well, that's the roof nearly off, just on pops. And these little brackets. We need to clean up. It's nearly off though. There's 2 screws in the corner, and that takes that corner section off. One's broke off, they're quite rusty, but you don't need to use it again. Same with this, there's 2 screws on these. These come out quite easy. They're just self-tap as in the plastic so they don't get stuck. And here, same with the top one. There's only 3 each side. And I think we're going to use these holes. These holes here for the new brackets. Which will line up like so. Right, they come with long bolts and a spacer. And the spacer will go through the body. Once that's tightened up, it should line up quite nicely. I'll tighten it all up, put the rest on, and there. That's just a 7mm nut, washer, and screw. Comes with these little caps to go over the nuts, so it looks a bit better. There is the holes from the original bars, which I'll show you. So there. I'm going to have to find a grommet to put in there, otherwise you're going to have water coming through. Because the old bracket had 2 bolts, this new kit's only got 1. It should all come down to it. And that's it. One side in. So I'll carry on with the rest and we'll have a look at the finished product. I'm going to take this off to access these screws or releases the clips. Same again with this one, screws all the way along the back. I'll take all them out. New bracket's the same. Bolt, spacer, washer and nut. real stumpy. Getting behind there, or you can take the whole wheel off and undo the bracket. I'm going to try and get in there with it. Yeah, fits alright. Once the roof is clipped in properly at the front, it is stretchable that a bit tight. But I think we're carrying with this, so I get this in and we're more or less there and done. Let's clip it all up and see how it fits. Alright, that's the roof fitted. Roof fits nice. Got to do the front one, we'll do that in another video. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one for probably the cam belt and stuff like that. Okay, see ya, bye.